Stick around to see 3 crafts that will surely teach your child how to calm down and how to manage stress. And I mean, we could all use that, right, parents? So y'all need to all stay tuned.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey everybody, it is Cheryl, the activity author, and I am here to bring you a special book craft video. And if you don't know me, guys, I am Cheryl. I make easy kids crafts out of household items that are usually inspired by books by self-published authors, because you know, us independent authors, we don't always get a lot of shine. And I also create games and activities as well. So if you like my content and you rock with me, go ahead and hit that like button on this video right now, because I know you're just gonna love this video. And then hit the subscribe button so you can subscribe to the channel and know every time that I post, and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time that I post. All right, so today's book that inspired this goodness, all these crafts for you today, is called Fred Gets Frustrated by Jennifer C. Kelly and illustrated by Stephen Stone. I just love this book because it demonstrates emotional intelligence in a fun way. And this beautifully illustrated book, it teaches kids how to calm down. So it's best suited for kids age 4 through 10, but I say we all can use this book, to be honest with you, okay? Now, this is the first book in Fred's series. Yeah, I said series, so there's gonna be more books out hopefully very soon with Fred featured in them. Fred is the main character of the story. He takes your child on a journey to overcome stress and anger in a very relatable way. Hop along with Fred as he teaches his favorite calming strategies, and he's even going to teach you guys how to make a calm down box, which we make in the video a little later on. So keep watching for that. That is going to be so much fun. Now, before we get to the activities, I did want to quickly tell you about our author, Jennifer C. Kelly. Yes, she's responsible for this awesome book, and I do want to tell you guys, I met her on Clubhouse. So Clubhouse is an app that people meet and socialize on, and she was in one of the rooms with me, and she was talking about this book. So once she started talking about emotional intelligence, I was like, ooh, that's very interesting. So I definitely had to hop over, follow her, and that is how I found this book. I also found out that Jennifer is a wife and a mom just like me, and she has a large deaf cat and one adorable goofy puppy. So cool. And I did want to brag on her one more time before we get into this video. Did you guys know that her Kickstarter for this book was fully funded? Yes. Well, actually, it was overly funded. So she got all the money she needs to create this awesome series and more. So that is awesome. So if that many people believe in this book, and I'm telling y'all that it's a good book, it's a good book. So drop down in the description box right now, see about Miss Kelly, and also check out the book. I have the links on how to get this book and learn more all in my description box. All right, so that's a little bit of backstory about the book. So let's go ahead and get into these awesome crafts that will help de-stress your child. Let's go. So because this book mentions mindfulness techniques and what Fred does to keep himself calm and peaceful and find tranquility, I thought a peace craft was definitely necessary. All you're going to need is some tissue paper, a construction paper, and then you're going to need some glue. So you're going to start by having your kids ball up the tissue paper into little balls. So I basically just cut it up real quick. And now they are using their little motor skills and they are making tiny little balls. And then all you got to do is glue on a peace sign and have them attach these tissue paper balls to them. And it makes a cute little design. So apparently this is a good craft for kids 2 and up, because my 2-year-old was doing it right along with us, child. She wasn't doing it right, but it was super cute. She did help a lot though. So this was so fun, cute, and easy to create, and actually turned out better than I expected. So let me show you how we use this craft to aid in our second craft. So Miss Jennifer has step-by-step instructions on how to complete this easy activity. My daughter could not stop talking about this calm down box, so we just had to make it. And I'm gonna show you how we made ours. So the first thing I did was I went to my daughter's closet and I found an old shoebox that we are no longer in need of. So I found one that's deep enough to hold a lot of stuff because I know she's gonna need a lot to calm down. Anyway, so after we got our box, we went ahead and cut out our peace sign and then we glued it on top of the box, and the rest is as you can see. I mean, you could stop here, but why stop here when you can decorate the whole box? So the author, Miss Jennifer, actually sent us these cool stickers with our book. So we decided, well, my daughter decided that she wanted to put the stickers all around the box. And I was like, good idea. Love it. Done our calm down box, the last thing we need to do is fill it. So let's put some stuff in here that makes you happy and makes you feel better when you're upset. Come on.
Let's put a comb hair.
Okay, go ahead. Put a comb hair. I guess that works. What else are you gonna put in?
I did put this one.
All right, let me see. Oh, nice.
How
Okay.
about a towel?
Sure, you can put toys. I guess that helps you. And then what else are you gonna put in?
I'm gonna put a tutu.
Oh yeah, because you like to dress up in tutus. That makes you feel better. Bring that on. All right, and what else you got? One more thing?
I got this one.
Oh, nice. This is your favorite lovey? All right, I think we're full. All right, that's enough. However, we cannot leave this box without our Fred gets frustrated checklist so we can calm down, right? This reminds us to take a deep breath and all our other steps. We're going to put this in there. And then our last thing is definitely our cards. Yeah, we got to put our Fred cards, our calm down cards. We're going to pick the calm ones out, okay?
But
And
wait,
what?
we are checklist.
That is the checklist.
That one.
And you know what? I advise people to make copies of this because you're going to use it more than once, I'm pretty sure. All right, now our calm down box is complete.
Yeah.
Sure, we can put a pin in there. All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'll close.
All right, do the honors. Nice. I love it. Ooh, this is kind of heavy, girl. All right, this is your calm down box. Go put it in your closet so you can have it when you need it, okay? And y'all, I will be the first to tell you that this calm down box actually works. So y'all don't skip this step. Do this, okay? And then drop down in the description box and tell me how's it going for you guys with some stuff that y'all put in that calm down box, because maybe we might have to refresh ours from time to time. All right, so the last craft that I am going to leave you guys with is an easy frog craft. And guys, if you read the book, you'll discover why Fred loves cookies. So we just had to make those cookies as well. So keep watching until the end to see how we pulled this activity together into something that will help promote literacy and teach your kids counting. It's gonna be so fun and easy. So keep watching, okay? So I'm going to show you guys two different modifications on how you guys can make an easy frog out of a paper plate. The way I'm showing you here now, I recommend for kids 2 and 3, younger kids, and the way I'm going to show you in a moment will be for older kids. And that way, in my opinion, looks more like a frog, but this one right here can be a frog as well. So just watch the 2 modifications. And I got these googly eyes from Dollar Tree, but you can definitely make your own out of white and black construction paper if you don't have it. Some delicious cookies.
We make our awesome.
Go ahead, feed him. Feed our friend Fred. Stick it in his mouth like that. Mmm.
Let's play music.
Wait, guess how many cookies Fred ate? All right, guess. How many cookies do you think he ate?
He ate 10 cookies.
All right, let's count them. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Count.
1,
Okay, let's move it aside. 1, 2.
2,
Okay, wait. We're gonna mix it up. 2. All right, what's 3?
3,
3. All right, keep going.
4,
Uh huh.
5,
Uh huh.
6,
Uh huh.
7,
Uh huh.
8.
You were close. You ate. He ate how many cookies?
8.
Yay! Write your name, right?
Yeah.
Or we can write numbers. A. You can do C and T. Right?
Yeah.
Now, if we put this together, what does it make? Cat.
Cat.
Cat. I want to eat cats. Lunch. I want to eat the cat. Feed him a cookie.
Cookie.
Feed him cookie. Say, I want to eat cookie. Good job, Malia. Put it in the mouth. All right. Good job. Feed him the tea. Say tea. And which one do you have? A. Good girl.
Yeah.
So give him. Okay, let's play a guessing game. Nope, put it back down. Put it back. Put it back. Which one is number 1? Let's see if you can find it. Oh, that's number 2. Try again. What is that?
1.
I want to eat it. Munch, 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 munch. Where's 3?
Okay. 3.
Yay! Munch, 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 munch. Okay, I'm so much full. I want to eat number 2.
2.
Munch, 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 munch. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. I love cookies. Thank you, Malia. You're gonna feed me all the cookies. Oh, all the cookies I can eat. Here's what you do. You get a plate, and then you put Fred over the plate, parents, and you are the puppeteer, parents.
Hey.
So what you're going to do, yep, eat those cookies.
Here's some cookies.
And when they finish feeding, oh my goodness, we're feeding him everything.
Stop!
No,
Stop!
Leah, we don't want to feed him this. And that was just a few ways that we play, but I'm pretty sure you guys can find a lot more ways to play with these cookies. But you can turn it into a learning game, you can turn it into a word game, you name it. And these, like, it looks simple, guys, but these kids will play with this thing all day long. They're still playing with this. So I'm pretty sure your kids are gonna love this activity. And you know the best part about it? If you use another plate, every time they feed Fred, guess what? The cookies end up on the plate. So once they're done, just take the plate from under Fred and just keep feeding them. Yeah, like that.
Look. Cookies.
Mm-hmm.
Want cookies, Fred? Here are cookies for you, Fred. Fred. This is the letter F. It's Fred.
Right. Good job. Here's that modification I was telling you guys about earlier on how to make a frog plate that actually looks like a frog. So I know the first one looked like an alien more to me. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But if you take your plate and you cut it like this, in this shape, with the 2 little humps for the eyes. That gives it a more froggy appearance. So try this for kids that are, let's say 5 and up. If they're able to handle scissors, they can try it themselves, or parents, you can do it for them. But this way, I love this way because it looks more like a frog. And there you have it, a simple way to make a frog plate. So those are 2 different ways you can make your plate, and you can still feed him cookies. Don't worry, guys. And there you have it. That is our activity for today, featuring Fred Gets Frustrated. Make sure you guys drop down in the description box right now and grab your copy. You'll also get some cool stickers with it. And I also will put the link below to show you guys where you can get these cards from. Now, these cards, they were like one of my favorite things about this book, because you're able to still be active, and it teaches kids strategies about calming down and physical activities. Very, very, very healthy suggestions. So definitely check this out. It is so worth it, guys. Don't forget to follow our author, Miss Jennifer C. Kelly, and see what else she has in store on her socials. And follow me on Instagram. Here's my handle right here, and I am very active on Instagram. So if you hit me up on there, I will be sure to reply back to you guys. You are the real MVP for watching this video until the end. So don't click off yet. Go ahead and click one of these 2 videos right here so we can keep the party going. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.